It's me and Twin, and this is Project X. Ask the music. No, real music, don't just sing. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan, and welcome back to another Jordan video. And
the movements.
You guys have been asking for a room tour, which I think is really nice because you guys be like thinking I'm like inspo or whatever, or you just want to stalk me or whatever to know what my room look like.
You look really gorgeous right now, babe.
Really?
Yeah.
This is my room tour, but not just any room tour. It's my fall room tour because as soon as the BER months hit, the burr months, I become the fall mood. The crisp air, the pumpkin chives, and everything nice. We can start on this wall.
This is so
this
fall.
is not fall, but
so fall.
Yo, this is like a bunch. This is junk. This is Hello Kitty galore. Look at that. Yeah,
Oh,
pan.
So I'm
Pan.
panning.
Ooh, the flash kind of make it look a little spooky, no?
No, literally not at all.
Closet, and instead of regular closet doors, I took them off so I could have cute
took them
curtains.
It was me
So
that took
now I
them
have
off.
curtains, and when Draco was a puppy, he used to pee on them all the time.
Why would you say that about him?
Because
He was learning how to live. He was a baby.
He was doing it on purpose.
He was
And
learning
would
how
pee
to
on them
exist.
all the time, and I would always have to wash him. It's the most annoying thing.
Okay, well, he doesn't do that anymore. He was learning how. He was a baby. He was learning. You used to pee on yourself all the time.
Okay, I didn't
Like
purposely-
yesterday. Hello.
Hey, what the? Don't lie. In a closet that's overfilling to the brim.
It's literally. Why is there one UGG on the ground?
Yo, we don't talk about that. Then over here, we have my hanging chair. My mom always wants to get rid of it, but I don't know why, because I think it's so cute and it really fills up the vibes in the room.
Well, I was just thinking for
And this
Christmas,
is-
where are you
Hey!
going to put your Christmas tree?
I be figuring it out.
Okay.
This is where the first hint of fall comes in. Look at this. We got pumpkin rounding the perimeter. Isn't
Perimeter.
that amazing? And then I got this little rat, mouse, fox. I don't know what this thing is, but it's holding a pumpkin, so it's fall.
Okay, not too hard.
He just got a junk in the trunk to be pushing. Monsteras, don't look at the dead leaf. Something about me is that I love plants, and something else about me is that I forget to water them. So it's like a hate-love relationship. We got this lamp from Target. Love this lamp.
Yeah.
Love it.
It's a good lamp.
And then we have fake flowers. They're not fake, they're faux.
Because Jordan's allergies been acting up lately.
Yeah, and
I used to get her flowers all
I used
the
to get real
time.
flowers, but then I would get really bad sniffles, and the pollen would get all over the place. It would be bad. A baguette,
Baguette?
because you always need to have baguette.
Especially in the fall time.
I'm gonna do a front flip. You ready?
No, please
So
don't.
this is
Jordan,
my bed.
Jordan.
Ah!
Draco! Look at you. I told you not to do that.
So this is my bed.
You hurt yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
I told you not to do
He
that.
stomped on
I
me.
told you not to do that.
By the way, guys, I cut this myself. Because I was like, imagine this off the shoulder, and how much cuter is it than if it was like this?
It was never like that.
Than if it was like this,
It was
guys.
never like that.
It's so much cuter. Because
Jordan
it used-
love this, but off the shoulder?
It used to be like
No,
this.
it didn't.
And now it's so cute. These two burnt orange pillows that my mom doesn't let me sleep on, but I do
They're
anyway.
decorative.
Because they're decorative pillows. She's the pillow girls. When you guys see the memes and it's like when I have to take out off 1,000 pillows just to go to bed, that's her room. She's a pillow connoisseur. She a pillow.
Yeah, and my pillows last a long time ago.
And
a
then
long
this
time.
is this is my squirrel that has a mushroom in the backpack.
He's on his way to school.
He's on his way to Mushroom Academy. And then I have another mushroom here. Because, I don't know, just the colors and the mushroom give fall. Because I feel like fungi fall. Fungi fall.
Girl!
Boy!
I'm sick of you.
Sorry. And then I have a pumpkin here.
Why is
that
there
I can't
glitter on
really
it?
I can't really lay on it, but it's just decorative because that's a little difficult.
You're not supposed to lay on any of these. They're all decorative. You're supposed to take them off.
And then above my bed, I have more pumpkins. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but pumpkins and mushrooms seem to be the vibe. And then we have a plant up here, but yo, chill it. It's dead. That is not my fault. It's being difficult. It's not me.
You don't
it's
water
them.
it.
I have this. Not blanket, it's a duvet and the duvet cover. duvet cover. The sage green duvet cover.
No, that's a sheet.
I got the JG.
All right.
Shut
up.
Okay. This plaid blanket, because plaid is giving like, oh, that's how the plaid gives.
It goes ooh ooh ooh.
It gives ooh ooh ooh, and then it could also be used for boo 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 during the October.
Why are you doing the splits? Okay.
Then I have this blanket. You guys probably already seen it. I love this nightstand, you guys. I think it's so cute every time I decorate. And I have lamp. And
luckily I have purse.
And then I have warmer. And then I got my bear hugging the warmer because she gives warm hugs. I didn't plan that. And then I have this cute little trinket. I don't know where my mom got this from.
It was either TJ Maxx or Home
It
Goods.
just looked like a little trinket. She was like, "Oh, I could put that somewhere." She didn't even have a place for it when she got it. She just like,
it might be
"Oh."
from Target. I don't know.
Oh.
It's old.
And then I have cinema roll, not cinnamon roll, because you guys be getting mad at me. Cinema roll. And I have my alarm clock. Very cutesy, very demure. A pencil just for late night research.
About what? What do you be researching?
Tapestry. You go up.
Tapestry.
You go. We got albums. Y'all know. We got bear that my dad gave me. We got cards and we got duck.
You need to clean that shelf. It's just nonsense.
I got nonsense.
Yeah, the duck is so old.
The duck is so old, and I got it from
Boy
Valentine's
gave it to
Day
you.
that I
You don't like.
And I didn't even. We're
Sorry.
not gonna. It's cute though. That's why I kept it. This is my fake Anthropologie dope mirror. You guys have probably seen my thirst traps in this mirror on the IG. Follow Jordan_Lene. Yeah, I really like this mirror. I
mirror's
begged
from
my
Hobby
mom.
Lobby.
Hobby Lobby. And then we have one of my healthiest plants in my room because this is the one that I remember to water. Look at, I have 2 new babies.
I love her.
Monstera. Oh, I have 3 new babies. Some faux plants again. And then we have this beautiful tapestry of lace connoisseur. That just
pinned up.
That just that just glides over my beautiful window. Yes,
Bird food.
my bird fear. Birds be coming
They
to my
be
window.
attacking it.
And then I say, "Oh my gosh, hi," and it kind of gives me PTSD because whenever I go up to say hi, they run away. It reminds me of elementary school.
Oh my goodness.
When I would go up to not people, but animals, and they would run away.
Yeah, you were weird in elementary school.
You're weird now.
You're still weird, so.
You're weirder.
Okay. What was that? Get off.
Just had to hit that lib. Don't mess.
Oh
This is my mini Antho mirror.
Look
Isn't
at
that so
She's
cute? Like mother, like Tata. And then we have these cute little buckets. I switched my buckets out, are like my cup holders for the seasons. So right now we have these 2 little petals. Or they're flowers. We have Sunny Angel, y'all already know. I got this with my makeup in it and stuff. Got my mirror. I got this mirror because I used to use this little mirror and my makeup was coming out whack. So now I got this mirror and I have no excuse for my makeup be coming out whack now. So I just gotta blame it on the
dance moves. Here, more makeup.
man makeup. And here we got
What is going on?
Hey, we got knickknacks.
What is this? Jordan.
Dun, 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 dun. Yelling me off camera now. She want me to act all happy.
No, I didn't yell your friend. I said, why?
Hey.
You tell them what happened.
No.
Jordan.
Death drop. This is my egg chair or my egg seat.
Egg.
I love that seat. We have 3 layers of shelves. First layer, we got a sitting plant. Look at how cute he is. My mama got that for me.
Mm.
My mama actually got me like everything in this room.
Yeah.
Up in this joint. And then we have just things, little knickknacks. We got her. She cute. Got Bird. He even cuter. Hello Kitty. Moving down. I love this thing so much. It's actually a beatbox. It looks like a radio and it actually connects to the radio, but it is actually a speaker. And it connects to your phone and you can dial it. It's so cute, y'all. Then we have a cute little Hello Kitty and her jeans. Then we have this thing. And we got my Smitskis. I need more. You can never have too many. And then down here, more Hello Kitty. We got perfume. We got cake I made.
Cake I made.
Then we got more perfume. And then Hello Kitty
Lint roller. Here, just this stuff.
Whoa.
Just
That's a lot to
nonsense
go
everywhere.
through. So
Yeah,
I'm just gonna
do a
let
quick
you look.
pan.
And
Yeah.
money is the reason we exist. I'm Lana. For some reason, I think tape's still rolling. This went viral on the TikTok, y'all.
It did.
My mama TikTok went crazy after she posted this one.
It's a candle warmer, so you don't have to light the wick.
Yes, and I love it. And then we have pumpkin. Then we have, I don't know what she put in my room. She put some dried up kiwi. It's because I don't know what dead thing she just put in this and called it a day. I don't know what that is.
I came in here and I was like, oh, this will be cute.
But she thought it was fall, so I'm gonna let her live.
Thank you.
This is my jewelry counter.
It's a mess too.
This is my fake jewelry counter. This is my things that tarnish. Then we. You're not supposed to be over here. This is not his station. This is not his station.
I didn't think I had him, but I'd like to take him. Are you coming in or out?
You gotta stay out.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Oh, nope. Okay.
Nothing. Using that as a little
No,
passageway.
I'll be in. He said I'm in.
Then she got another one of these things. She loves a decorative jar with just the most random. Cause what is this, please? What is that?
Give it back. I will take it out of here.
No, stop. The hot glue gonna come off. This is where my real jewelry lies. Over here in the specimen. Over here we have my Sol de Janeiro counter. It definitely needs a refill. She's running a little bare. We have Hello Kitty from Hello Kitty.
She's so cute.
She makes an appearance. We have another jelly
We
cat.
have Draco. What is he staring at?
I think I found what? We have Jellycat. This is his territory, and I feel bad for him because the hot dog just came and kind of swooped in. It's kind of swooped in. My things. I don't know what I have. My most favorite object on here is definitely my sparkly blobfish.
I hate that blobfish.
It wasn't sparkly when I got it. I sprayed it with sparkly glitter. We have 2 festive smells. We have this one that says Crisp Frog Breeze. I don't know what that's gonna smell like. Then we have Cuddle Weather. Also don't know what that has in store.
Okay.
We're gonna smell this. I hope this one smells better because it gives more
Just
fall
spray
vibes.
a little bit. Ooh.
I don't really think that smells like a leaf though.
It's okay.
It's okay. It
bless
smells fresh.
you. I think the Cuddle Weather's gonna smell good because it's chai and vanilla.
You ready, guys?
Yeah.
He's so
I don't think he
dramatic.
likes
I
it.
spray
I
in
don't
your
think he likes
direction.
it. Dip inside.
It smells really good.
That one I think is gonna
Let's
smell
go.
good. You're gonna upset the dog. Oh.
I'm not even by you.
Oh. Oh, it does smell so
Oh
good.
my God, it
that
smells
smells
amazing.
really good. Draco,
What are
look
you
what you
doing?
did.
See, that's why you're not invited anywhere.
Be mindful of why you were invited to the room.
You're about to fall off the bed. Where are you trying to go? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.